Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new website with Odoo. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple and practical way, so you can quickly set up a new website inside your Odoo environment and know exactly where to find it afterward for editing. Creating a website in Odoo is useful because it allows you to manage your pages, content, design, and business information from the same platform. Whether you're creating a website for a new business, a product line, or a separate brand, Odoo gives you the tools to organize everything in one place. To begin, open Odoo and click on the Website app. This is where you manage your site content, pages, design, and overall website settings. The Website app is the main area where you can control everything related to your online presence. From here, you can create new pages, adjust layouts, add website content, and manage different website settings. If you're working with multiple apps in Odoo, make sure you're entering the Website app specifically, since that's where the website management tools are connected. Odoo includes many different applications, such as sales, inventory, CRM, and accounting. Because of this, it's important to start from the correct app so you can access the website creation and management features. Once you're inside the Website app, look toward the top left area of the screen and click Configuration. This menu contains the settings and structural options related to your websites. The Configuration section is where Odoo stores important website management options. It allows you to control different settings and manage the structure of your websites. After opening Configuration, select Websites. This will take you to the section where all existing websites in your Odoo database are listed. At this point, you'll see a list of your current websites. This is useful if you already manage more than one site, because it gives you a clear overview of what has already been created. For businesses managing multiple websites, this section makes it easier to identify each website separately. You can quickly check existing websites before creating a new one, and avoid making unnecessary duplicates. From here, to make a brand new website, click New in the top left corner. A new form will open, and this is where you'll enter the basic information for your website. This form collects the main details Odoo needs to create and identify your new website. Make sure you complete each field carefully before saving. Start by typing in the website name. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to manage multiple websites later. For example, if you manage websites for different brands, locations, or services, using a clear website name will make it easier to find and manage the correct website in the future. Then enter the domain and any other required details shown in the form. The domain is especially important because it helps connect your website with its online address. Make sure the information matches your intended website setup. Be sure to review what you type carefully, since these settings help identify and organize the website correctly inside Odoo. Checking these details before saving can prevent issues later, especially when working with multiple websites or complex business setups. After filling in the necessary information, click Save. Once you do that, your new website is created. Once saved, Odoo will add the website to your database, and you can begin customizing it according to your business needs. That's really all it takes to add a new website in Odoo. The process is straightforward because Odoo keeps the website creation steps organized inside the Website app, making it easier for users to set up new websites without complicated technical steps. Now that the website has been saved, you can select it from the list and begin editing it directly in the Website app. This is where you can customize the design, update pages, add content, and shape the site the way you want. You can create new pages, modify existing sections, add images and text, adjust the layout, and customize the overall appearance of your website directly from Odoo. If you're managing more than one website, always double-check that you have the correct one selected before making edits. Selecting the wrong website before editing can lead to changes being applied to the wrong location. So, confirming the website name before making updates is always a good habit. And that's it. You've successfully created a new website with Odoo, saved it, and made it ready for editing inside the Website app. Now you know the complete process of creating a new website in Odoo and where to go whenever you need to manage or update your website in the future.